Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 7 Plus in gold. Okay, so I've been got this phone. Girl, if you don't move, I've been got this phone in 2017. I think it was either August. Yeah, it was either August something or September. Actually, it was September. So I been got this phone last year. So what I just did was like wrap it back up, put my phone back in there and all that. And I got different headphones. So yeah. So well, let's get in there. Ah! I wrapped this back. Y'all probably wondering like, what she wrap this back up with? I wrapped it back up with the Ziploc bag. And I got 3 cases to choose from. Alright, so this case I got from Dollar Tree. I did not even know. And you can see like my pop socket mark. I don't even got no pop socket no more. And then this case I got it from 5 and Below. So emoji case. And then this case I also got this from 5 and Below. It had a little slidey thingy. This was my mom's old case, and now she got another one like this. And hers is her slidey thingy fell off. It was pink, but this one was black. So yeah. And it also came with a wipe, but I didn't put it in there because I didn't have enough room. So yeah. Alright. And then I'm gonna add more to this video. I'm gonna also do like what's on my iPhone. Okay. Oh, I'm retarded. Oh my gosh, so excited. Snap. Some tape right here. Oh, and also this phone is the 32 gigabyte. It also includes AirPods, and an adapter. It's like the iPhone 8. Well, this phone was made before the iPhone 8. So, alright, here we go. Oh. I can kind of see my phone peeking. You know. Alright, here we go. I'm not gonna look. Okay. So, this says designed by Apple in California. And then when you come out, you get, so right here, this is like, it says welcome to iPhone. And then it says turn on iPhone with the sleep/wake button. And then it got preview content and perform quick actions by pressing the display with 3D touch. And then use Touch ID to unlock iPhone with the home button. And then that's what it just looked like. And then it comes with like some more directions about the iPhone and stuff. And then it comes with some Apple stickers. I still haven't used these. Okay guys, the phone. My phone is cracked guys, so I don't even know why I'm doing this. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so this is what the phone look like. But y'all ain't gonna be able to really see it. Okay, the phone. God, I'm gonna wipe the screen. Y'all can't really see it, but you can see it like down there. But I'm gonna get my phone. You can see the phone that I'm filming on. I'm filming my mom's phone. And then it's cracked right there, but y'all can't really see it, but okay guys, so this is the gold iPhone 7 Plus. Alright, hold on, I'm finna turn it on. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh man. Alright guys. What? Alright guys, so I'm gonna turn it on. Oh. Alright, while that's turning on, I'm gonna show y'all like what's in the box. Alright, so basically I got some, so it comes with the base. Well, little plug cube. And then
what are you doing?
Comes with some earphones. I did a bad job trying to put those in, but whatever. And then I got the adapter because the iPhone 7 Plus don't like to use regular earphones. Like this is for regular earphones, like the ones that I got right now.
Are we spending out at your house? And you drop it down now?
Open it up. Looks like that, but yeah.
Huh? No? Did I know I gotta work today?
But yeah. Okay. And then I did a horrible job trying to put this charger in. I tried to wrap it up with some glue and stuff. I mean some tape. Because other people, they'll just try to wrap it up like this. But I did some tape.
Bye.
Okay, so that's the charger. I don't got the regular charger. I had to go buy one of these Walmart chargers. I don't have one of those. So everything is different now because we in 2017. I mean 18. I got this stuff in 2017. So we in 2018. Okay. So it's just the regular white charger, I think this is like a 12-inch charger. That's everything that was in there. Okay. Set that stuff to the side. Let me put this stuff back in there. Okay, so now let's move on to the phone. Oh man. Okay, Apple stickers. Alright, move on to the phone. Okay, so my phone is turned on. So when you first look at my phone, it's a picture of me and my mom. Okay, and like when you slide it over, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna work. Hold on, I'll do my password. Alright, let me show y'all now. So when you first turn it on, it's a picture of me and my mom, and then you slide it over. It's the camera, so we got. So first we're gonna start off with time lapse. So we got time lapse. We got slow-mo. We got video. We got photo. And then the next one is portrait. It's not like the other phone, but this one it'll show you if it's a deep effect. I'm gonna take a picture right now. Let me show y'all. That's what the portrait look like.
Well, let me see.
Girl, it ain't nothing. Dang. Go back to where you was. And then we got square. So this one is just square.
So now you got some peroxide.
Panel. Oh man. No, I'm gonna peroxide. It's gonna be in my own bathroom. Well, I don't got no peroxide. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. And then we got panel. So this one all you do is like it's basically like video. It's like a video. So like, hold on, let me show y'all. Alright. So you're supposed to keep on moving it, basically. And it just looks like that. But I don't think anybody uses that effect. Okay. So now, and then when you move it to the left, the other way,
Hello?
it just like pops up
Hello?
things that you've been on.
Okay.
What?
That's my cousin's wife. She said she could call me right
Okay, and then right here. Alright, so right here it got Pandora, camera, message, and YouTube. And then you come to go the other way, and then so the first thing I got is mail, and then calendar, FaceTime, and then photograph. Here's one right here. Photograph, I got photos and camera. And then the next one, which is navigation, so I got home and maps. I think I need to update that. So it changed it. Then the next one is health, so I got wallet, and then I got health. And then the next one is lifestyle, which is iTunes, App Store, and settings. And then the next one is travel. So I got clock, weather, and TV. I think I need to, yeah. And then down here I got Safari. Hold on. Safari, phone, iTunes, and message. Can you stop? And then next I got calculator. I'm dumb. Calculator, watch, and then extras, which is compass, voice mems. Hold on. And contacts, and find iPhone and files. And then the next one is just folder, says find friends, and it's tips. And then the next one is folder, which is podcast and iBooks. It's a lot of stuff that won't download, that I need to download. And then I got productivity, which is notes and reminders. I have a lot of I like to keep my stuff organized on my phone. Sorry about that, guys. I sound, my voice don't sound normal because I'm my nose is stuffed up. And then so right here it says utilities. So I have stocks and I have news. The next one is reference. So I got Bible, and then I got Bible. This one is reference, and then I got Instagram. Then right here, oh, I already did utilities, never mind. And then next I got Gmail, Google. Oh my gosh. I got Musically, Dub Smash, Flippergram. I can't pronounce it. Llama Tiff, whatever that is. However you say it. And then I got Pandora, Bitmoji, YouTube Studios. Then I got iMovie, PhotoGrid, Netflix, and then go again. I got Unicorn, Splashy, Mario Run, and Photos for, Google Photos. Okay, that's basically all I have on my phone. So I'm finna do a little. This video is unboxing the iPhone 7 plus more. So the plus more is gonna be a lot of stuff. So first I'm finna try on this pink case. Comment down below which case y'all like best of all. I don't really like this case because it don't really fit right on my phone. I don't really know. The next case I'm gonna try out is the black one. This is how this case looks. I feel this, like, both of these cases, this black case and the emoji case fit good, cause it's not from Dollar Tree. But they still cheap, the cases. So do y'all like this case? This case is messed up, just like that one. That's why I'm finna give me like an auto box. Then the next case I'm trying on is the emoji one. It's the one that I had on before. So I got that.
Shania, your mom wants you.
I heard, dang. Stop repeating stuff. Alright, and then that's it. Okay, so make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment down below for more videos like these. Peace.
Yeah, go to the top, bustin' your bitch like a Glock. Ooh, she like to suck on my Glock. Yeah, I get the money, don't stop. Dexter. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you like this beat too, but you a fucking goofy though. Fucking lame ass. Oh wait. Word around, word around, word around.